about 5 seconds later, I'll listen for you going down Ridgeland, all yours.
How was it, man?
Cheers, man.
Yeah?
I done with myself.
How about you, man? We're gonna have to get you a ride too now.
I'm all about it. Let's do it.
We're
Go for a ride? Hell yeah. Let's do it.
That's what it's all about. What do you think, Burrow? How was it?
Oh my God.
This thing shouldn't be on the street.
Oh my God.
This should be illegal.
No tires left.
That's insane.
Here, I got here, right here. You need help getting out. That's when you know it's fast.
Now, son. We don't have to dart that fast, do we?
I don't know if we need it that fast. That's almost too fast, man.
Oh my God. That's like 800 horsepower. Try to go easy, but I have to do a little something.
You like the dart? Yeah? Push it, push it.
All right. Yeah, neighbors will love us.
You love the dart?
I think
Get him, Penny. Get him, Penny. And it helps to hit record. Okay. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below with your favorite car from today. Maybe it was that Challenger. I personally think so. It had the best burnout. Has a 392. It's a Mopar. You know how we feel about Mopar. Also want to say thank you to everyone that went and bought some Bat merch. I really appreciate that. That means a ton to my father and I. Saw some of you commenting saying, hey, I'm gonna go buy a shirt right now. I'm gonna go buy a hoodie. If you're looking to get some Bat merch, this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're having a 20% off sale. So that's the 12th, 13th, and 14th. 20% off everything in the store. If you spend more than $120, you get free shipping. So head on over there if you're thinking about getting some merch. Have a good week, guys. We'll see you next Sunday.